I do no harm to myself, my family, my community, other families or communities who live in peace and unity with others. I am protection.
TIPA reports men also fall victim to rape.
But it's not only women who fall prey to rapists. A 2016 Optima study revealed that the rape of boys is also on the increase. Atenkosi Thompson was 9 when he woke up to his cousin performing oral sex on him. Ashamed and confused, he kept it to himself.
It
changed me a lot. I wasn't the person I used to be. I felt I was not human. I felt dirty. It also lowered my self-esteem, and I found myself using drugs, and it killed me inside. Because I am a man and I'm not expected to speak out, and I'm ashamed in my community. I grew up.
So when we're looking at rates of sexual abuse against children between males and females, one of the things that's important to understand about the research and statistics that we have available is that males tend to underreport when they're sexually abused. Families tend to underreport the abuse of boys versus girls. And so what we know, according to research and statistics and rates of reporting, is that about 1 out of every 5, 1 out of every 7 girls, depending on the study and the research, have been sexually abused as a child, versus about 1 to 17, 1 out of 20 males were abused as children.
This is the Guiding Principles of Peace and Unity channel. The Guiding Principles of Peace and Unity is an ethical, moral framework and a lifestyle. The foundation and premise says, do good, do no harm. On this channel, we examine important problems and solutions related to the Black community. Some of them difficult to talk about, some of them uplifting to talk about. This video is part of a series on child sexual abuse. Our goal is to heal those who have been harmed and to prevent harm to others. Another goal is to provide examples of success and opportunities to overcome challenges. Of course, it doesn't matter whether the victim of sexual abuse is a boy or girl. The trauma and damage can be lifelong and life-changing. Research suggests that children who have been abused have challenges with anxiety, depression, PTSD, drug and alcohol abuse, difficulty pair bonding to create relationships, sexual promiscuity, sexual violence, and can even become sexual predators themselves. These problems follow children throughout adulthood. Only caring adults can prevent it and stop it. Only caring counselors and therapists can help children heal. Finally, never let anyone unsupervised have access to your child, boy or girl. I know this is a difficult situation in this day and time, but it is necessary. You can go to our website, thegppu.org, in the resources section. There are related resources that will help you, your friends, family, community address this issue. Hotlines, children's books, lesson plans, role-playing techniques, suggested therapies, and therapists. In the future, we will provide additional resources. You can get a copy of the Guiding Principles of Peace and Unity and their violations at our website too, thegppu.org. That will help you understand us better. If you think this is important work, please like this video, share it, and get on our email list. We need to create a caring, supportive community. Only by living by a set of common unifying laws can community be created. That is why there is a Guiding Principles of Peace and Unity. Watch the rest of this video, it's informative. And remember, do good, do no harm.
Guys, my name is Oshun the Great. Today I wanted to touch on a very important topic, a topic very close to me. For those of you who don't know, I am a rape survivor, and today I'm going to touch on something that is very, very deep, that needs to be talked about, that nobody, I feel like, ever talks about. Something that actually happened to me that I've been in denial about. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into this video because I need to set myself free and also help others to get through the same trauma, same pain, and same these things like that. This is something that has happened to me in my childhood, and I've been in denial and it happened very brutally from people close to me, and I've been in denial about it for years and years. How it was reacted upon with me was basically, oh, it was never something that should be spoken about. And if I brought it up, it was always dismissed or put aside, to the point where I grew up in denial and I felt crazy. And the people who did it to me are still protected till this day. The reason that I'm speaking upon it is because I want the people who did this to know that they didn't get away, basically with anything at all. That I'm going to be me, who I am, and express what happened and to help others. But it did happen with people who were supposed to protect me, who were supposed to love me and care for me, and they just simply failed.